Another common business planning mistake or mistake when you're starting a business is the failure to understand and the failure to get benefits from your competitors, because there's a tendency to think, I'm the best, I'm going to win, me. And I know this and it doesn't go away. This has stayed with me for a long time and it's a very poisonous mindset. And I have to fight it all the time because I'm always thinking like, I'm the best, I'm going to win. But it's not true. And competitors are also great. And so the smartest thing to do for me and what I recommend is to fight that urge to think like, I'm going to destroy the competitors and learn from them. So here are my suggestions. First of all, do your due diligence, Google for your competitors, see who they are. Also ask your clients about have they tried any of your competitors? Was there something that was good? Was there something that was bad? During your conversations with your clients, make this a part of that conversation. Like, hey, what other solutions are you trying? What's good about those solutions? What's bad about those solutions? And after those two steps of Googling and researching, and after talking to your clients and seeing what are the common things that they're using, you have to literally go and use their products or websites. Sometimes you even have to buy it. It's okay. It's usually not that expensive. If you buy it and use it, you will get a real insight of what they're doing well. And right after that, go and use yours, because there's an equal tendency to think like we are great, whatever we're doing is great. But whenever I've done that, the truth is I'm like, oh my God, my stuff is really not that great. I thought it was better than it actually was. So use it side by side and be honest, and don't just do that, but have other people who are not biased, who are objective, maybe a family member. Of course, they're a little subjective, but not nearly as subjective as you are, because you're probably the most subjective person in some sense, because you really want to win. And you can ask your clients to use your product side by side and so on and so on. So you can learn what people like about the competitors' products. And then guess what? You can fix the ways in which you are behind. So you want to learn what they do well and what they do poorly. Whenever you see what they're doing poorly, that's your opportunity to get ahead. Whenever you see something that they're doing well, that's your learning opportunity for you to start catching up to what they're doing well and not be lagging behind them. And another thing that's a mental stretch, but very important, you don't just want to use their products. You want to actually become friendly with them, network with them, and collaborate with them on some things even, because competition is fine, but there's a concept of co-opetition, cooperation while competitive. Because let's say there's 10 companies in your space and you network with one. Well, you and the other one can win and beat out the other 8 by helping each other. That's a very common thing. Plus, on a human level, no one will understand you like your competitors will understand you. If you're the CEO of one company or the founder, that founder of the other company, oh my God, they're like your mental family, right? They know exactly what you're going through because they're going through that all the time. So there's a lot of bonding and sharing also that can happen. It's ironically, weirdly, can be even a support network in a way over time. And it's a fantastic way to build business relationships in your industry. So try to look at competitors that way. There's so much to gain from them if you just open up to it.